Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. It comes with a 1.6 Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower and has a 6-speed gearbox. It also features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity, and you also get dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has full service history, it comes with a 1 year's warranty and is free to tax. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton.